Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to play directly any video present inside a zip folder in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So let me show you. Firstly, I have a video here, so I'll just create a zip folder. As you can see, I'm creating I'm converting my video into the zip folder. So wait for a few seconds until the compressions to the zip folder gets completed. Now I have converted my video into the zip folder. So what you need to do next is, now you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website and download this VLC media player. If you've already installed VLC media player, then you don't need to do it again. So if you have not installed this VLC media player, then you download and install it on your respective computer. So you download and install it if you have not downloaded and installed it before. So after installing, just minimize this. So let's move back to the folder where I have created a zip folder. As you can see, just let me show you for your convenience. Here is a movie that is present inside the zip folder. So directly you can never play such zip files, but using VLC media player we'll try to play it. So open the VLC media player. So next what you need to do is just drag and drop this zip folder and we'll see whether VLC can play directly this zip folder or not. That is, the video is present inside it, so it's analyzing. So you can see the video is playing directly. So in this way, without unzipping the video from the zip folder, you can directly play using the VLC media player. So this is very less known by many people, that if a video is present inside a zip folder, you will not able to play it unless you unzip or extract that video from the zip folder. But using VLC media player, you can definitely play it directly without unzipping it from the zip folder. So this is a cool tricks that you should definitely try out today. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.